In this episode, I'm going to explain what exactly is a color wheel and why is it a wheel and not something else. So let's begin. Just as I have explained in the previous episode, a color is a product of the interaction between three elements. One, various wavelengths of light. Second, the surface of objects which deflect some of this light. And third, our eyes which absorb the deflected light. So this is a light spectrum. It has various wavelengths which our eyes can capture. This is nothing but the Vibgyor spectrum, which consists of these wavelengths: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In fact, to the left of violet is ultraviolet and to the right of red is infrared. But since our human eyes cannot see these, we do not include them as colors. So how do we get the color wheel? Well, we take this spectrum and bend it in such a manner that it forms a circle. For an easy understanding, let us reduce these colors of the color wheel into the three basic colors, and then let us see how do we get the millions of colors which we experience. Though in the light spectrum, red, green and blue are the primary colors, in the material world we consider red, blue and yellow as the three basic colors. These are called the basic colors because they cannot be created by mixing any other colors, whereas all the other colors can be created by mixing these three colors. When red and yellow is mixed, we get orange. When red and blue is mixed, we get purple. And when we mix yellow and blue, we get green. And these are called the second level or the secondary colors. And by mixing these colors, we get the tertiary colors or the third level colors. This is how we get all the 12 easily identifiable colors on the color wheel. If we vary the proportions of the colors we mix, we will get all the other hues that a human eye can see. In the next episode, we'll understand what exactly is a hue, a shade, a tint and a tone. And for that, you need to click here. And in case you want to understand what we discussed in our previous episode all about colors, you need to click here. To get more such lessons absolutely free, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and please hit that like button. I'll see you in the next episode.